Ever pondered on how to make money online? It's a tantalizing concept, isn't it? The ability to earn from the comfort of your own home, or indeed anywhere with an internet connection. Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to explore some popular methods for making money online. First up, freelancing. With skills and services in high demand, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a marketplace for talents such as writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. Next, online surveys and reviews. By participating in paid online surveys or writing reviews for products and services on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Amazon's Mechanical Turk, you can earn money for your thoughts and opinions. Consider remote work. Websites like RemoteOK, We Work Remotely, and Indeed are teeming with remote job opportunities. Many traditional jobs now offer remote positions. Or get creative and sell your own products or services. Etsy is perfect for selling handmade crafts, Gumroad for digital products, or perhaps consider offering online courses. Affiliate marketing is another promising avenue. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link, you can make money with companies like Amazon Associates and ShareASale. Blogging or vlogging too can be profitable. Start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Online tutoring or coaching is a viable option if you excel in a particular subject or skill. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or Teachable can help you connect with students. For photographers, selling your photos to stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock can provide a steady stream of income. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative support, customer service, or other assistance to businesses and entrepreneurs. Lastly, cryptocurrency and stock trading can be profitable, but require caution and thorough education. Remember to always be wary of scams and invest time in thorough research before venturing into any online opportunity. Building a sustainable income online often involves a mix of skills, dedication, and adaptability. So, go forth, explore these opportunities, and find the one that suits you best. Happy earning!